I am going to show you how to use the circle to search feature on the Google Pixel 6. Circle to search feature helps you to search for whatever is on your screen by circling it, and you actually see relevant results are shown in this video. So to do that, please, you need to make sure that you first toggle it on in the settings. You're going to go to the phone settings of the Google Pixel 6, go to the settings, and then scroll down to display and touch right there. Then scroll down to the navigation mode, okay, and then look down, you see the circle to search. Please make sure that if it's actually toggled off, it's actually toggled on. Turn it on right there for you to proceed and learn something in this video, okay? Let's make sure the circle to search is actually turned on. Now let's come back, okay? Now when you come back, circle to search won't be using whatever you can. I'm just using this for illustrative purposes, the camera app. So I'm actually going to, you can actually see in the camera, my phone's actually seeing this notebook right here. I'm going to search circle to search it. So long press the home button right there, okay? Then I will have to do is circle the item that I want to be searched. You see that? That is the item. So you can actually see Google giving me results down here. The image shows a notebook and that. You can see that right there, okay? Now, this can also be used to do something else. Whatever is actually being displayed on the screen, I am going to be using what is displayed right here. That part right there, I circle the icon right there. And you can actually see that the results are actually being displayed. The image displays the logo for the Google Chrome. You see that? That is the circle to search on the Google Pixel 6. You see that? Make sure that your device is actually connected to internet for you to get the relevant results. Okay, pretty simple. If you actually pick value in the video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.